What's up, guys? So it's been a while, and today I actually want to talk about something that is all the rage right now in the AI community, and I think it's the Photoshop killer. And I'm going to show you exactly why this is the case. So today I want to show you something called Flux Kontext, and I'm going to show it to you on ComfyUI. There are three versions of Flux Kontext. The first two are the Ultra and the Pro versions that you'll find online, and they're paid versions. But then we have a dev version that we can run locally on our machines. So I'm running this on my 4090. Let me show you how this works. This is a model workflow that we have. I think this is very similar to like a Flux workflow. There's probably a video on this channel of me covering that as well, so you can reference that. But we have the usual diffusion model, we have a clip loader just as in a Flux workflow, and we have the VAE, we have our conditioning statements. I think the only node here that is different is probably the reference latent node, and we'll cover that as well. The reference latent essentially tries to take in like a reference image and feeds that into a prompt. So and a prompt along with the reference image is passed into the latent space to create what we actually want, so we can make changes or edits on images that we provide as reference images. We have the usual k sampler, and here's the step 2 where we upload images. So the only node that's different here is the Flux Kontext image scale, which scales the image that we work on. And there's an image switch node. There's an image stitch node where we can stitch two different images together to get a desired output image. So here I have an image of Tom Holland I got off Google, and what I really want to do is I want to see Tom Holland in a yellow t-shirt. So make this man wear a yellow shirt, and let's see what it generates. Oh, wow. We get Tom Holland in a yellow t-shirt. Not bad. Um, Great. But you know what's the best part about Flux Context? Is that we have this node where we can actually refresh the last output and start making iterative edits on that. So if we have this image, we can keep making edits on all our generated images, just like we can in Photoshop. But this is all text based. So the next thing I want to see is make this image in anime style. So make this image in anime style. Let's see what we get. Not bad. This looks great as well. Let's use the same image we have right now. Let's try and make him wear a suit. Yeah, I want to see Tom Holland in a suit, and let's make the background Las Vegas. One more. Let's make it during the daytime. I want to see this during the daytime. Wow. So I think the one of the more instant use cases of this would be changing lighting. So like within ComfyUI, there are like a lot of workflows where we can play with lighting and change lighting in images and videos. But with Flux Context, I think it's just one text prompt to change the lighting, right? Which is great. So this is a great use case. Now what I want to say is let's expand the frame. I want to like zoom out and expand the frame. So let's zoom out and let's like show me a full body picture. Zoom out, show me a full body picture, and let's add an Lamborghini next to him. Oh wow. So we get a Lamborghini right behind him, not next to him, but behind him. Not bad. And I want to now add a female next to Tom. So let's add a beautiful female. Add a beautiful female next to Tom. Wow, we got a beautiful female. But I feel like it's kind of replicated the two Lamborghinis, and the image proportion doesn't look that good. So what we're going to do is we can play with this node that we've had for a while. It's called the empty SD3 latent image node, where I can pretty much set the width and the height of the image I want. And I can just connect that to the latent where the image will be created on these dimensions of the image. So let's change that up and see what we get. Yeah, the car is still double, so let's try and fix the background. So let's also, if you notice, his face is degrading. This is also because this is one of the limitations of our Flux Context model, that with each iterative edit, um, the the quality of the output keeps degrading. So that's why we see like his face is degrading a bit, the image quality is degrading a bit. But we can try and let's try and see if we can fix that. These are some of the limitations that I'd like to cover. I want to make the car behind red. So let's see if it does that. It does. So it made red. So another use case is of course playing with like product photography and like changing colors of clothes and stuff like that. So that's one like really good use case. You can use this for all your marketing images, content, or any like Photoshop kind of quick edits just with a prompt. Yeah, I wanted to fix the face. So fix the face and the image on the right. So we want to use Tom's image from before as a reference image, and I want to fix his face. Oh, it didn't fix the face, but it did like clean up the background a little bit and put her in a bridal outfit. I wanted to change the outfit to a bridal outfit. Not bad. This was not bad at all. I think this is good. But yeah, I think these are some of the limitations of Flux Kontext that we need to still work on. If you guys have better prompts to help me with fixing this face, do feel free to comment below. I'm going to do my research on this as well. What I want to do now is I want to use an image of another reference character and try and put on this person's clothes onto Tom. Let's see if we can do that. I've had like some trouble with this because the image dimensions always come out incorrect. But let's see what comes out. We didn't get it. But yeah, not what we wanted exactly, right? But yeah, this is the idea behind Flux Context. I'm going to try and make more exploration videos on this new tool for you guys. uh, you guys keep running experiments too. If you all have any suggestions for me, comment below. I think the good use case or the greatest use case for this is in product images, so or even in fashion. So if you guys want to like change outfits up of people, I know of people just uploading images of the outfit in the reference image, and the prompt is just simply like place outfit one or make the character wear this outfit on the right, and it swaps the clothes of the person. So that's one good use case for like fashion brands. So y'all can play with that as well. Other than that, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll keep making videos like this. Thank you. Bye.